Hello student, this is class third B. This is class third B GK. Class third GK, and it is 17 4 20 21. So third B. Just we are going to start today. First lesson, food from South India. Lesson first. Food from South India. Food from South India. We see there is variations in the food in the different part of the country, and every state has some specific food. So today we are going to discuss about the food from the South India. When we think about South India cuisine, we see images of idli, sambar, vada and dosa, but there is more variety of cuisines in South India, made rich with flavors using spices and local ingredients. So first we have to study about the cuisine from the Kerala. First one is Kerala. In the Kerala, what is the famous food? One is idiyappam. One food is idiyappam. Idiyappam is simply string hoppers made of rice flour. It is Indian steamed rice noodle. So first one idiyappam. Idiyappam. Next one, inji puli. First idiyappam, next one inji puli. Next one is inji puli. Inji puli is a dark brown, sweet, sour and spicy Kerala curry made of ginger, tamarind, green chilies and jaggery. So these are two important food, two important dishes from South India, from Kerala. One is idiyappam and other is injikuli. Next one, state of South India is Telangana. Next one is Telangana. Telangana. Sarvapindi, it is important dish from Telangana. Sarvapindi, first one. And other is particular chana dal. This is another dish from the Telangana. Important dishes of Telangana are given here. One is sarpindi. Sarpindi is a pancake made of rice flour, spices and peanuts. It is also called tapla chicken. It is also called tapla chicken. Now next one, Pindikura chana dal. It is also called Kunkura Pakku. It is made by boiling red sorrel leaves and tur dal or chana dal in pressure cooker, and then spices and tempering are added to it. Now next one, Karnataka. Next one is Karnataka. Next state of the South India is Karnataka. After Telangana, next one, Karnataka. In case of the Karnataka, important food is akki roti. Akka roti, and other is ragi mundi. Ragi mundi. Two important dishes from the Karnataka. So one is akki roti. Akki roti is rice bread, a typical breakfast item in Karnataka. It is made of rice flour mixed with salt, water, kneaded into dough and patted as roti directly onto the tawa. Now next is ragi mundi. is made by ragi mutte is made of ragi. It is also called a finger millet. Flour and water. It has to be boiled in a special way, and balls are made of it to be eaten with rasa. So next one is Tamil Nadu. Next state is Tamil Nadu. Next state of South India is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. Here, avial and murakku. Avial and murakku, two important foods are. One is avial. Avial is a thick mixture of vegetables and coconut, seasoned with coconut oil and curry leaves. This now next one, murakku is a soured, savory, crunchy snack named in Tamil from the word twisted. It is made of rice flour. It is made, murakku is made of rice flour, urad dal, rice flour, urad dal flour, salt and fried in oil. Now next state is Andhra Pradesh. It is also an important state of South India. Next one, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, Chapla Pulsu, and Pisarapur. So, in the Andhra Pradesh, two popular dishes of Andhra Pradesh are, one is Chapla Pulsu and other is Pisarattu. Chapla Pulsu and Pisarattu, two important dishes from Andhra Pradesh. So, one important is Chapla Pulsu. Chapla Pulsu is a typical tangy Andhra style fish curry cooked in tamarind sauce. Once again, listen, since it is a very delicious dish. So it is a typical tangy Andhra style fish curry cooked in tamarind sauce. And next one, pisarattu. Pisarattu is a dish similar to dosa and is made with the batter of green gram dal. So that's for today. Thank you. Next day. Thank you.